you excited? Do you want to tell everybody what inspired you to get those? Which movie did you love? Ferdinand, right? We are going where?
We're going to get some. We're going to the ice cream caboose.
Let's go. It is a caboose. Okay, let's get some shoes. Mama needs her purse. I am tired. Very, very tired. But you know what? The kids have been good. I would like a little bit of ice cream. We are in the mode of Daddy's been away for a long stretch. So we're gonna go get some ice cream and just kind of celebrate. Do you know what I mean? Do you ever do special things when one parent is away? So that's what we're gonna go do. What did you get?
Strawberry.
What did you get? Vanilla? And I got butterscotch. And it's like melting and delicious. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Exactly. Just hold on, I'm getting your sister.
I need water.
Yeah, here you go.
Hello. My mom's a little cuckoo.
Hey, what?
I was just at school. It was really fun. This is what I gotta tell you. Whoa! Is that mine?
Would you like some? Yeah. Okay, this is for Esme. Give us Esme and I'll get one for you.
Yeah.
Jackie! You tested it.
I read this so crazy. Oh.
Here, Jack. All right, ready for the big reveal? Because what's the story? Basically, you have no summer clothes. And you hardly have any summer clothes.
I'm a doctor. Look at me. I'm ready to open.
All right, so let's see. So some of it's for your brother, some of it's for you. Okay, and there might be two things for me. Not sponsored, by the way. I just went a little nuts. Okay, so 1, 2.
You. Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Mommy, I like that. Mom,
And we got a couple of these things. Yeah.
Mommy, Lord, this licked me in the eye.
Oh dear. It's like a jumper.
I love jumpers.
Okay, one of those. What else have we got in here? A little flamingo jumper. I was trying to think of things that you're gonna wear like all summer. So that's the short skirt combo. But do you feel how light it is? It's not thick like the other one. Esme quite likes these. Like,
what's this?
Those are just a nice pair of shorts.
I like those. I think they're like kind of for like cold summer days. Mommy, Mom.
Are you excited? Do you want to tell everybody what inspired you to get those? Which movie did you love? Ferdinand, right?
Little girl with pigtails.
Yeah. The jumper is it, or not, these are not jumpers, these are overalls. Turn. They fit really nice. I'm so glad we went with the 8. You've got pockets, you can put stuff in there. Some money. Money for the corner store, looking good.
Let me take this off.
Sure, next outfit. She didn't really want to wear this one. She's got other plans here. I like this one. Looks great. You like it? Comfortable, cozy. Are there pockets in that one? No. No pockets, but very nice. Do a little turn. Nice. Well, the kids are playing outside tonight. Temperatures dropped a little bit. It was really nice yesterday, day before. So I'm bringing myself a cup of coffee. The neighbor's little guy just came by. I'm selling chocolate, so I have some caramel and sea salt chocolate. And I'm gonna sit by my fire and just sip a coffee and answer emails or whatever I'm gonna do. I have to keep an eye on them, so I'm gonna sit outside, but it's a little chilly. In other news, Dean comes home tonight. I'm so excited. It's been a couple of days, guys. He was away the whole time I was away, and then we both were home on the same day, Saturday, and then he left Saturday night or Sunday or something. So, you know, something I don't really talk about too much is how I manage life with a partner that travels. I don't know, I just try not to draw too much attention to it, but if you guys would like me to address that and kind of talk about it in videos, let me know in the comments.
You're gonna kill me!
Well, you shouldn't call her names, you little stinker. So I got a very important question for you, Jack. How many sticks do you have? A million? Every time we go for walks, what do you bring home?
I bring sticks.
How come? What are sticks? What do they turn into in your imagination?
Can I put the sticks in the fire?
I mean, you can, but prefer if you wouldn't. Because you love...
Dad.
You think they calls them grenades.
A grenade! A grenade! A grenade!
Safety first, Holmes. What do you think of my helmet? Let's try it with some sun. Actually, this is really comfortable. and I like the colors.
That's my sunglasses.
My sunglasses. Perfection.
Yeah.
Gonna look fabulous. Safety first. And here's the bike I got. All right, we ready? It fits my big old noggin. Let's go. I'm excited. I got a bike. I'm like a kid. Anytime I get a bike, it's a good day. All right, guys, we're doing it. So we're off. We're taking our new bikes out for a spin.
You're happy that you have to take every single bike out?
Yeah, man. You know what? Hashtag worth it. It's gonna be fun.
You're so crazy.
I know, right? But you love it. And we're off. Let's do it.
We got these bells at the same
Oh, yeah.
time.
We both got these little bells.
They're candy shaped.
Samesies. Hey, baby, what's up?
What's up?
Woo! Wanna go down to the river? I only have one hand. I'm a little rusty. There's usually a little deer and animals. Ooh, look at this nice deer. Hi, deer. The deer thinks we have food. Hi. We don't have any food for you though, but you're cute. Oh, that girl of mine. Wow, and there's les canards, ducks. Whenever I see those, I think about the French word. I don't know why. Aw, he's like, hey, your fingers, they taste like noodles. Delicious. Oh. Yikes. Way to ruin a moment, dude.
Blackbirds.
Dead of night, spread his broken wings and learn to fly.
All your life,
You were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Blackbird fly. Love that, baby. We're doing it! Carrot cake? How is it? Is it amazing? She doesn't even hear me. She's like in the zone. I went with peanut butter brownie or something amazing. I don't even like brownies, but this, I am into peanut butter. I tell you that much. I'm kind of obsessed with this girl. Verdict? Hey, Esme. I got a question. Do you want to be friends forever?
What?
Tough luck. You're my pal for the end of time, Missy Magoo.
I'm your pal?
Yeah. Me and your dad used to sing a song when we first met. We would say, we're pals, we're pals, we're pals, we're pals. Well, tonight I am actually off to a burlesque show. So this should be interesting. And I'm wearing my new high-waisted pants with a stripy shirt and like quickly throw on some makeup, and a dark lip tends to make things work. So let's go do this. This is real Mother's Day. He doesn't want to put his show down. Dean made me a lovely breakfast. This is from Jack, and woo! Can I open it?
Yeah, you can open mine first.
Okay, here, you film me. I just got back from working out, so a little bit
So
slow.
here's the scissors.
I don't know if I need scissors, do I?
I don't think you actually do. Are you excited?
Of course I am. Yes.
Open it.
I made some Mother's Day flowers with my fingers and my thumb, so you'll always have these memories for all the years to come. Dear Mom, love you like candy. You are amazing. Love, Esme. Did you make that up? I love you.
Open the present.
It's in here.
That's dirt.
Oh,
That's soil. That's soil.
Mom, let me show you what I know. Together we can help these seeds grow. Thank you. What kind of seeds are those?
I don't know.
Well, we're gonna plant them. You're gonna come sit next to me? Do you know what it is? Do you have any idea? Do you remember? Here, put this down for 2 minutes. Let's see what it is.
I don't know.
Oh,
What is that?
what's this? It says, Mom, my art belongs to you. How cute is this? Did you make that?
Yes.
Let's see what else it says here. All about my mom. Oh, let's see. This is a little thing. My mom's name is Amanda. She is 2 years old. Mom and I like to play tag. Well, Jackie answered all the questions. Mom likes to say, I want to play tag and games. Mom really loves my family. She likes to eat lasagna and sausages. So do you. And she likes to drink milk and juice. My mom's job is on the computer. Pretty close. If she had time, she would like to go to the library. Mom is really good at singing. You're cold? I'm really good at singing. If I could go anywhere in the world with her, we'd go to the park. I love my mom because she gives the best hugs.
You've done that before.
I love it,
That's
Jackie.
Jack's real head.
Oh my God, let's look at this.
That's actually Jack's real head.
No, it looks like Jack.
Oh, look at those lips.
Look at that big head.
Look at that big head. Look at those lips. Well, we're off on our Mother's Day celebrations. So we're packing up the car. I've got my really, homemade fruit platter and veggie platter. Whatever. We're going to my aunt's house. It's my little cousin's birthday. He's turning 10, I think, maybe 11. Anyway, he's getting up there. So we're heading out to go and celebrate with them today in Toronto, and it should be really fun because my ideal Mother's Day, or just a day that I love, is surrounded by people that I love, and I love those people, and my dad will be there, and actually my uncle's niece that I haven't seen in like 13, 14 years is gonna be there, and she has a new baby. I get to hold a new baby. I'm very excited. Anyways, it's gonna be a fun day, and it's freaking gorgeous out. All right, guys, this is my old apartment. This is where it all began, Roser. First of all, it already looks different. I remember that I used to have a lot of junk, my junk in there.
Now. Office.
Oh my gosh, yes, I used to have my little desk right in here. Except this was not. This wasn't a closet.
Now look, now you have a coat closet.
Oh, nice.
Into the bedroom closet, so if you have company you don't like, you can get out of town quickly. You can be like, watch this.
Oh my god. I love it. When you need to escape in a hurry.
Yeah, screw you in a hurry.
That's it. I love it. Okay, I'm coming.
This is where Amanda used to live when it was carpeted.
This was my room. Didn't have a cool brick though. Oh my gosh, I have pictures in this hallway.
So this.
Me and Melanie. This used to be Melanie's bedroom.
Bedroom here.
Yeah.
With a door. Yeah.
And this is cool. Can you imagine, Esme? I used to live here. Then they had the tiny little kitchen. Oh my gosh. This was not here. There was no storage. This was my tiny little bathroom.
I'm in the washroom.
Oh my gosh.
Shower now.
Yep. One of these, I think the top one was mine, the bottom one was Melanie's. Same sink. Boy, time goes. That's great. It looks so different, but yet so the same. It's a perfect little apartment. So this, okay, if you can see where the door is, there's Lisa, my auntie. So I would go down here, but this used to be stairs all the way up. Because now you have air conditioning, right?
Air conditioning.
Yeah, you didn't have that before.
We didn't have a furnace.
That's right.
And there used to be a trap door.
A trap door.
If you go in, you'll see it, but it's probably too dark.
There used to be a trap door. I don't know if you care about. You can't see it anymore. But I'd pop my head up like a mole hole.
Get some food or pop up.
I'd pop up. She'd be like, "Come upstairs." I'm like, "I'm coming up through the trap door." And I go for a snack. I mean, that was the life.
Stephen making cakes.
Oh my god! One time you did my laundry. I was like, "This is the best day
I did
ever."
more than once.
Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Look who fell asleep.
That's a cute baby.
This is little Ava. She's 10 weeks old.
Look at that.
So my uncle's niece's daughter. Of course, that's a mouthful.
A lot of people.
It's my favorite kind of baby. You want to get to hold? But I need to give it back later.
Right. That's what. And when you're once a grandparent, it's the same thing.
Right? You did the best job ever.
We never change diapers.
So, it's true. It's true. It's so good. Well, guys, my camera ran out of battery on the way home, so I'm gonna sign off right now. It's Sunday night. I'm crawling into bed early tonight because I never go to bed early, and with my Fitbit, which I'm gonna tell you more about this Fitbit soon because I'm really happy with it, but it tracks my sleep, and I do not get enough sleep. That's for sure. So, new life plan, try to get more sleep. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. I put out videos 3 times a week. That's it, guys. Keep it real. See you on Friday. Bye.